For the second part of my passion project, it evolved out of the first part of the idea of making the course more St. Louis centric. I wanted to organize all of the different St. Louis events and primary and secondary sources for St. Louis events in a Google sheet. And so I thought, well, wait, why just stick to St. Louis events when really I could use a database of primary and secondary sources for all of the events of history that we talk about in U.S. history. And so when I started creating that sheet, I thought, well, wait a minute, why would I just stick with my course? So what I did was I created a Google Sheets database of primary and secondary sources for all of the social studies courses. And I've invited the other social studies teachers to contribute to the sheet. They'll have editing access to it. And my ultimate goal is that this will be available to all the social studies teachers at Live for Life Academy, and also for the students to pull information from as well. So I've already incorporated this in my course, and I've already put this out as material in Google Classroom for all of my students. And my students have already started using this database and have pulled both primary and secondary sources from this database already in their research project. So click on the sheet, it's right below, and y'all are very, very intelligent people. So I'm sure that you will have no problem at all navigating this sheet. I won't walk you through that. So I hope you've enjoyed my project. Thank you very much.